Give me like a top three. Like what are like top three like moments for you in your career so far of like shooting content?
Yeah, it's interesting too because it kind of like you said, like leans into your sport and passion. Like you're a huge golfer, so the golf stuff like means a lot to you. And from sports I like I've always been a big like basketball and football guy. Recently, I've been really big into golf, which I maybe have you to thank for from that Ryder Cup shoot. I feel like since then I've been like bitten by the golf bug. Top couple moments. So I'd say, yeah, like top moments I've filmed or shot, or the companies have been lucky enough to be a part of and been trusted to capture. Like running out of the tunnel with Justin Fields in the Bears throwback jerseys, like that one was awesome. I had like a bunch of friends and like family like text me videos of me like running behind him. There's fireworks going off in the background of the shot, like, and it's just like you and Justin running, like taking the field. I'm like, never would I have dreamed of that when I was back in high school, like filming the football team that Zach was on, right? So that's up there. Ryder Cup in Rome, like first big international trip, international shoot. We did the autograph camera there with Scotty. And so like I was executing it with Scotty. Scotty's also like the nicest guy in the world to film. He's like, do you need me to do it again? Did you get everything you needed? So just like having those player relationships is super cool. So yeah, the Scotty moments in Rome, and then probably Inter Miami with Messi. Like that was a huge sports shoot for us. It was an international event, right? Like soccer is the biggest sport in the world, So like capturing that goal, like I was filming it and I'm like, there's no way he's gonna make this, right? Like this is way too storybook. And you're just like in the middle of that moment in history and have captured it. So if I had to say three, I would say like the Justin Fields run out shot, shooting the Ryder Cup in Rome with Scotty Scheffler, and then, Messi in Miami would be the kind of the
Nice.
three that come to mind right away.